Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by getting the app and signing in so content syncs. Open Play Store or App Store, search the Hindu and tap Install. Once installed, open it. Choose Google, email, or guest to access core features. Signing in saves preferences. Allow notifications and storage when asked so downloads, updates, and alerts work. Once done, the home feed populates with latest stories. Make sure to enable background data if you want automatic updates and offline downloads. You now shape what you see and how you read. Tap the hamburger or bottom menu to open sections and select National, World, Business, Sport, or more. Following a section pushes it to your top feed. Use the bookmark icon to save articles and the follow button for ongoing topic curation. In settings, adjust font size, theme, light/dark, and article view for readability. If you commute, enable edition downloads and set image quality to manage mobile data. This makes offline reading reliable. Read articles by tapping any headline, swipe between stories, and expand multimedia for images or video. Use the share icon to send a link or save an article as PDF for later. Bookmarks live under Library. If articles load slowly, clear cache in settings and restart the app to refresh local files. If sync or login fails, make sure your internet is active, update the app to the latest version, and if needed, reinstall. Then sign back in to restore subscriptions and preferences.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.